Using remainder theorem, factorize x cubed plus 10x squared minus 37x plus 26 completely. Right? So we've been given in this question our value of f of x, which is x cubed plus 10x squared minus 37x plus 26. Right? Now, once again, they have not given us any of the factors, so we need to first find one of them. And if you guys remember, we need to do it by trial and error method. One of the potential values of x so that f of x becomes 0 is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, and 3, right? So out of one of these 6 values, we need one of them will definitely, at least one of them will definitely give, at least one of these values for x will definitely give f of x as 0. If I had to guess, I would say 1. 1 seems to be a good option. So let's say for x equal to 1, right? I'll say f of 1 is equal to x cubed, which is 1 cube plus 10x squared, so 10 into 1 square, minus 37 minus 37x, so minus 37 into 1 plus 26, right? So f of 1 is equal to 1 cube is 1, 10 into 1 square is 10, minus 37 into 1 is 37, and plus 26, right? So therefore I can say the value of f of 1, 1 plus 10 is 11, 11 minus 37 is minus 26, plus 6 is 0, right? So again, so we got the value of f of x as 0 for x is equal to 1. If I rearrange this, that means that x minus 1 is equal to 0, or rather I can say that x minus 1, or rather this implies that x minus 1 is a factor of our polynomial f of x, right? So this was just the first factor that we found by the remainder theorem or the factor theorem. The remaining factors, remember, have to be found by the polynomial long division method. So let's head on to doing that. Our divisor, as we found, our factor is x minus 1. Our dividend is x cubed plus 10x squared minus 37x plus 26, right? So we have to divide these two terms and find our other factors. Okay, so starting off with the highest factor, so we have x cubed here and x here. X cubed upon x gives me x squared. X squared into the divisor now. So x squared into x is x cubed. X squared into minus 1 is minus x squared. Subtracting the two expressions, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and plus x cubed minus x cubed cancel. Plus 10x squared plus x squared makes it plus 11x squared, and let's bring the remaining terms down below. So minus 37x plus 26. All right. Again, dividing the highest possible term, so 11x squared divided by x makes it plus 11x. Now plus 11x into x, again multiplying with the divisor, 11x into 11 makes it 11x squared. 11x into minus 1 is minus 11x, right? And remember, we are subtracting the two expressions, so plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and what does this give me? Plus x squared minus 11x squared gets cancelled. Minus 37x plus 11x leaves me with minus 26x, and plus 26 is brought down just as it is. All right. Further, now when we divide, we have 26x divided minus 26x divided by x. This gives me minus 26. Minus 26 into x, again multiplying the quotient with the divisor. Minus 26 into x is minus 26x. minus 26 into minus 1 is plus 26. Now remember, subtracting the two expressions, minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. So if you now observe, minus 26x plus 26x is cancelled, plus 26 minus 26 is also cancelled, and I get my remainder as 0. That was expected anyways. So I finally managed to complete the long division, and therefore I can say that my divisor, which is x cubed plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26, right, is equal to my dividend x minus, my dividend is equal to my divisor into the quotient, which is x square plus 11x minus 26, right? So it's been the dividend has been partially factorized. To completely factorize it, we need to factorize it, the quadratic polynomial here further. So we have x squared plus 11x minus 26. Two numbers multiplied give me 26, and their sum should give me 11. So it is x squared plus 13x minus 2x, right? So 13 and 2 is 13 into minus 2 is minus 26, and minus 13 plus minus 2 is 11, right? So that is splitting the middle term there. And x minus 1, between the first two terms I have x common, so x plus 13 in the bracket. Between the third and the fourth term I have minus 2 common, so x plus 13 in the bracket again. So therefore I have managed to factorize my terms. First factor is x minus 1, second factor could be x plus 13, and the third factor is x minus 2, right? So therefore our polynomial, that is x cubed plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26, on being completely factorized, gives me x minus 1 into x plus 13 into x minus 2. This here is my final answer in my answer rectangle.